Which is your favorite pie? Apple, cherry, or pumpkin? Today I'm craving a pumpkin pie, so let's start drawing it. First, draw a horizontal line at the bottom. Draw a curve coming up diagonally from each side. Connect the two sides with a wavy line on top. Then draw a letter C on the left side and its mirror image on the other. Then draw another wavy line on top of the last one to make the pie crust. Draw a curved line coming up from each side, going towards the center. Connect the two lines with a wavy line. Then draw some curves connected to each other at the top to make the icing. Decorate the icing with a couple of curves inside. On the pumpkin filling, draw a circle for the eye and color it, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a curve between the two eyes, then draw a half circle connected to it for the smiley mouth. Draw the top of the heart shape inside the mouth for the tongue. Decorate the pumpkin filling with some curved lines and decorate the pie with some stripes. Delicious! Now you can draw a funny pumpkin pie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.